Hello guys, so in the video I'll be walking you through how to set up Krita with ComfyDeploy. First, you should be able to see your the Krita workflow in your organization. If no, like you could go ahead and import this. Importing this workflow will get you through our onboarding steps, and a machine configuration will be automatically created. So you can also do something like I'm just gonna copy this and go ahead and create workflow. Create a demo import. This one is usually just like setting up the machines. The workflow, actually, we're not going to use this because the creator plugin will do the thing automatically. While this is building, I'm just going to use the one that I already have, which you guys should already see in your organizations. Right here, you can select any GPUs. I'm going to just pick the L40S. That's a pretty effective GPUs. I'm going to increase the timeout so it will close like a little bit later. And I'm going to start ComfyUI with this configuration right here, creator. I'm going to start ComfyUI, so let's wait a little bit. So meanwhile, it's loading. You can see the log being streamed back. So this is exactly like how you would set up ComfyUI in your local. Okay, now it's loading up. Hover over this link icon, you'll be able to see integrations. I will now like walk you through setting up the creator plugin. So here, what I can do is I go to release and I can download the creator AI diffusion zip file. Once it's downloaded, I'm going back. Can ignore this. I go to creator, go to install, go to import Python from file, and you can go over to download and pick the zip file that we just downloaded. Okay, let me do that again. Okay, right here. Install this. It requires a restart for creator. So let's wait a little bit. I'm going to restart it myself. Okay, it's loading up. Okay, now you should be able to open the AI image generation tabs and go into configure, and you can pick custom servers and go over and copy up the URL, and then you can connect right here. The models and custom nodes which should be already set up. We have all the models in the shared models file. So all the models should be good. You just wait a little bit for it to connect. To debug, you can see the client log. So you can see it should be able to detect the models and set up the connections. So it takes a little bit. And meanwhile, you can just keep this open or you could close the tab. The session will be running in the behind the scenes. So it's totally fine. Let's wait a little bit for it to connect. Okay, it should be able to connect right now. You can see it's connected, detected the base models. Some models missing, but I think it's fine. We can install it afterward. And if you want to install custom models, just let us know. And here, I can just like pick the default option here. Let me just gonna generate something here. So anime girl, for example, I'm gonna hit generate. It's gonna connect to the server running right here. So open up the log, you can actually see it being, it should be starting over here. It will be running some predefined workflow in the Creator AI integration. So let's wait a little bit. For the initial start, it's a little bit slow because it's going to load the model and also start the first inferencing, but it should be pretty fast like after the initial load. Okay, great. So I generated the image. It's right here. I can just like click on my own brush. I think it will be added as one of the layer. You can see it's here, one of the layer here. I can disable. I think it's locked that I can disable it. I can disable it. I think I can also draw over it. So yeah, that's the basis of connecting the Krita AI integration with ComfyDeploy. For more advanced users, you can keep exploring. Most of the stuff shit works. And I encourage you to test and let us know how it goes. Thank you.